Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for vision, immune function, growth, and development. Function of vitamin A. Number 1. Vision. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina in the eye. It helps to convert light into electrical signals that are transmitted to the brain, allowing us to see in low light conditions. Number 2. Immune function. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system by supporting the growth and differentiation of immune cells. Number 3. Skin health. Vitamin A is necessary for the growth and repair of skin cells, and it helps to regulate the production of sebum, which is a natural oil that moisturizes the skin. Number 4. Growth and development. Vitamin A is essential for the growth and development of bones, teeth, and other tissues in the body. Number 5. Reproductive health. Vitamin A is necessary for the production of sperm and the proper development of the fetus during pregnancy. Number 6. Antioxidant activity. Vitamin A has antioxidant properties, which means it helps to protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules known as free radicals. Sources of vitamin A. Number 1. Beef liver. Beef liver, 1 ounce or 28 grams, contains around 6,582 IU international units of vitamin A. Beef liver is one of the richest sources of vitamin A, and it also provides other important nutrients such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. Number 2. Chicken liver. Chicken liver, 1 ounce or 28 grams, contains around 3,290 IU of vitamin A. Chicken liver is also a good source of other essential nutrients such as protein, iron, and folate. Number 3. Cod liver oil. Cod liver oil, 1 teaspoon or 4.5 grams, contains around 1,350 IU of vitamin A. Cod liver oil is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, contains around 59 IU of vitamin A. Salmon is also a good source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Number 5. Milk. Milk, 1 cup or 244 grams, contains around 149 IU of vitamin A. Milk is also a good source of calcium, vitamin D, and other important nutrients. Number 6. Cheese. Cheddar cheese, 1 ounce or 28 grams, contains around 105 IU of vitamin A. Cheese is also a good source of calcium and protein. Number 7. Yogurt. Plain yogurt, 1 cup or 245 grams, contains around 271 IU of vitamin A. Yogurt is also a good source of protein and calcium. Number 8. Eggs. 1 large egg, 50 grams, contains around 70 IU of vitamin A. Eggs are also a good source of protein, vitamin D, and other important nutrients. Number 9. Carrots. 1 medium-sized carrot, 61 grams, contains around 509 IU of beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the body. Carrots are also a good source of fiber and other important nutrients. Number 10. Sweet potato, baked. Sweet potatoes are a great source of vitamin A. 100 grams of sweet potato provide about 19,218 IU of vitamin A. In addition to vitamin A, sweet potatoes are also a good source of fiber, potassium, and vitamin C.